Oh, excuse me, like, what was I doing? Victory lap and caught you all screwed in. Oh shit, what was I doing? He's just here to ruin every reputation. I guess that's what I do. You're all looking fake. I don't know what to do. But any of you, you're all looking bitch. What are you gonna do with that tie on, bitch? With that tie fucking shit, yo, get that, yo. Tie that lasso, tie that noose. I don't give a shit, you silly goose. Better watch your caboose, cause you're all on the loose, motherfucker. Yo, moose buckers, yo. Get cut with those smuckers, low. Oh, what a jam on that fucking dough. Oh, should I tell a story you don't know? About that asshole, about that beep beep, about that Rocky, about that hee hee, about that cold dude, about that wee wee, about that trap ass, about that yee yee. No, no. Don't even cry, mousy, no, ho. Don't even curse-y, whoa, whoa. All looking so cold, cold, cold out here on my show. Fuck your day, ho. Fuck everybody. I don't give a shit. All night ready. It's fucking party 5 days away. Ain't even counting on my sleigh. So present today, yo. I present me, motherfucking OG in my city. Oh goddamn, what was it? This motherfucker clipping out a bit, goddamn, yo, tripping out a bit, goddamn, yo, remixing a bit, screwed and chopped it, I'll change the picture, change the world, fuck up the structure, I don't give a damn about no construction, hearing too much, pushing some buttons, here I am, electrocution, motherfucker, you look like pollution, goddamn, I got the solution, yo, I ain't not changing the station, here I am, just be saying. Yeah, I'm just saying. Yo, maybe I'm bluffing. Maybe we playing.